Hello and good morning, my dear students. In our today's GK session, we will do 4 lessons. First, we will do one lesson regarding machine. You all know that machines make our life very easy. Then we will do one lesson regarding different pollution. You all know about water pollution, air pollution, noise pollution. Okay, so you have to tell that which pollution is this through pictures. Okay, you have to find out. Then we will see different sources of water. You have already learned in your EBS that which are different sources of water. Okay, so again we will revise it, and then we will do which different body parts work what. Okay, so in our today's GK session you will get many different information. So watch all videos properly and get all information nicely and try to remember it. Okay, and nowadays there is too much cold in winter, so take very good care of your health. Okay, so let's start our GK session. Okay students, open your GK textbook, lesson number 23, everyday machines, on page number 26. See, machines make our work very easy, right? Many machines need electricity to run. Now here you have to complete the crossword with the help of the clues. Here you have given crosswords. With the help of these clues you have to complete this crossword. So here numbers are also given. So read first number. What is the clue? We take photos with it. Okay, we take photos with what? With camera. So here we will write camera. What is the spelling of camera? C-A-M-E-R-A. Camera. Okay. Then first you can see here, right? Vertical now. We play games, listen to music and solve sums on it. On what? On computer. So here C is already there of camera, now computer. So C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Computer. Okay, then second, what is the second one? We watch news, movies, cartoons, etc. on it. On which we watch news, movies, cartoon? We watch news, movies, cartoon on television. So here write down spelling of television. See here you can see the picture also. Television, Television. Write down all the letters capital, students. Okay, television. Okay, now see the vertical 6 number here. We mix things with it while cooking. Here they have written across, means you have to write, you have to see horizontally, and down means you have to see vertically. Okay, so 6. Okay, so we mix things with it while cooking with what? See here given blender. Okay, so what is the spelling of blender? B-L-E-N-D-E-R. Blender. Okay, now 4. Again 4. We bake cakes and muffins in it. In which we bake muffins and cake? Oven. See here given oven. So O-V-E-N. Oven. Okay. 3. We wash our dirty clothes in it. What is this? Washing machine. Okay. So write down here washing machine. WASHING, washing. Here machine, 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 washing machine. See, this box means you have to leave that box. Okay, then here seventh, it keeps our room cool. What keeps our room cool? Air conditioner. So write down the spelling of air conditioner. First AIR, air, and then conditioner. Then leave this box. COND. I is already there. TIONER, air conditioner. Okay, try to remember. And then fifth one, it keeps our fruits and vegetables cool and fresh. Who keeps our fruits and vegetables cool and fresh? Which machine? Correct. Refrigerator. Okay. So what is the spelling of refrigerator? See, here is the picture of refrigerator. Write down the spelling. REFRI, refri. GERATOR, refrigerator. Okay, so complete this crossword like this. Okay students, lesson number 24, pollution, on page number 27. See here. Look at the pictures given below. Write A if the picture shows air pollution, W if it shows water pollution, N if it shows noise pollution, and R if it is helpful in reducing pollution. Okay, so here three types of pollutions are given. Air pollution, pictures of three types of pollutions are given. Air pollution means the reason how we make our air dirty, polluted. Then noise pollution means how different types of noise make our airs, our noise create noise pollution. And then water, that through which activity we make our water dirty. Okay, so these three pollutions, pictures of three pollutions are here, and some pictures are also through which we can know that how we can reducing all these different types of pollution. So let's see one by one and find out which pollution is this. Okay, first see here what this man is doing. This man is throwing some dirt, okay, some rubbish things into water. So what he is doing? He is created which pollution? Water pollution, right? So we will write here W. Okay, then see, this man is doing what? This man is washing their animals, right? Making their animals are taking bath. So this is also water pollution. Okay, then see, this girl is cycling. So cycling is helpful to reduce pollution. If we use vehicle which runs with petrol or diesel, then maybe it creates air pollution, but the girl is cycling, so it is helpful in reducing pollution. So here we will write R. Okay, then see here, from factories the smoke is coming out, so it creates air pollution. So here we will write A. Then again, the girl is planting different types of plants, so it reducing pollution, right? So here we will write R. Then see, here is written no horn, and still this man is keeping horning, right? So we will write here, it is that man is created noise pollution. So here we will write N. See, this boy is keeping their hand on ears. Then see, crackers. You all like crackers, I know, but crackers create two pollutions, air pollution and noise pollution both. So write A and N both. And last picture is of recycled paper and paper bag. So it reducing pollution, it is helpful. So here we will write R. Now see, here is in, do you know what is there? Vehicles running on CNG help reduce air pollution on road. Right now we can see that many vehicles run on CNG. CNG stands for compressed natural gas, right? So the smoke from CNG is less polluting than from petrol or diesel. So the vehicle runs with the help of CNG. They are helpful to reduce air pollutions on road. So keep that thing in your mind and complete this page like this. Okay students, now open lesson number 25, sources of water, on page number 28. See here. Look at the pictures of the ways we get water and write their names. Take help of the given clues. Here some pictures are given through which we get water. So the way through which we get water, it is known as water sources, right? So we have to find out which sources are this. You have given here clues: river, well, tank, pond, lake, canal, waterfall, sea or rain. Okay, so let's see one by one and then we will write that sources of water here. Okay, first, what is this? This is a river. So write down here river. R-I-V-E-R. River. Second, this is a lake. L-A-K-E. Lake. Right? This is a river which is flowing. Lake is like this. Then see, this is waterfall. Okay. W-A-T-E-R. Waterfall. Okay. Then fourth. What is fourth? Rain. So write down here rain. Then fifth. Canal. Canal. Sorry. Right? This is the canal. Then sixth, well. Then seventh is pond. Pond is small while the lake is bigger than pond. Right? Lake is bigger than pond. Okay. Then this you all know. What is this? Tank. T-A-N-K. Tank. And this one is last, sea. Okay. Largest source of water, sea. So again let's repeat. River, lake, waterfall, rain, canal, well, pond, tank and sea. These are some sources of water. So complete this work in your GK textbook. Okay students, open your GK textbook, lesson number 26, how our body works, on page number 29. See, here some body parts are given. They are internal organs, right, which you cannot see. Okay, they are inside the body. So they are internal organs. But we have to find out what work they do. Okay, let's see. These are some parts of our body which we cannot see. They perform many functions, right? They do many functions, many work. They are called internal organs. Label the internal organs shown below. Choose your answers from the given clue. Now here what the function they do, they are given. Okay. From that we have to find out which organ is this. Okay. First see this part. In man's body this organ is doing thinking. Okay. The function it does think. So which part is this? Find out from here. Brain. Okay. So first here write down brain. Brain is D. So here we have to write D for brain. Okay. So cut it. D. Okay. Then second, breathe. Okay. We breathe with the help of this part. So which part is this? Lungs. Okay. So where is the lungs? Here. C. So write down here C. Okay. Then this pumps blood in the body. What is this? Which pumps blood in the body? Very important part. Heart. Okay. So where is the heart? Here in B. So write down here B. Pumps blood in the body. Okay. Mixes food for digestion. Which part of the body mixes food for digestion? Find out from here. Okay, now two remain, stomach and kidneys. So it is stomach. Okay. So write down here A. In fourth, A, stomach. And fifth, remove waste products. In our body, some waste products are also there. So this part, remove that waste product. So what is this? Kidneys. So kidneys in E. Okay. So you also try to find out that internal organs and which different types of function they perform. Okay. Try to find it out and try to remember it.